Tube light tutorial. Here we go. So, get yourself the little plastic tube, the clear tube, right? That we have linked. And then you're going to take the parchment paper. You're going to roll it up. You're going to put it in there. Right? You can take a piece of tape to hold the edge. We're going to take our inexpensive RGB lighting. Here we go. We got a little spool of wire. If you can always take like your tape measure or something and pull it out the other side. So I recommend if you're going to do the big ones, like that one behind me is 67 inches tall. Just lay your tape measure out and you want to lay the non-sticky side of the light, so where the LEDs are, down on top of the tape measure. Pull off your sticky back, roll the whole thing over so that the sticky side lays down. Then take like a broom or like a broom handle and push all the sticky side down as best you can. I keep looking down the tube for us to make sure I'm running perfectly along the seam where it's rolled over on the inside, because I don't want everybody to see that seam the whole time. Take a piece of our handy dandy duct tape. We're gonna put it right over top of this connector here. Get it real nice and put together. And that plastic does get really, really sticky to the duct tape. So it makes it nice and sturdy on the end. Make sure this thing is laying flat. You're just going to want to bend it over right there and try not to break any of the RGB connections. Take a nice piece of duct tape. You're just going to want to put it just as far down as you need it. And these tubes do come with like end caps. We're going to take these. We're going to orientate them the direction that it needs to go. I'm pretty sure for this one is the outside. And the way that you can check them is just plug it in and plug it into power. And if it powers on, then you did it right. If it doesn't power on, try again. There we go. Look at that. All right, so now we know it powers on. We're going to go ahead and make our handle section of this light. Our handle section of the light is just going to be us taping up this cord. So you can make the duct taping of the handle as nice or as trash as you want it. I particularly don't care how the handle looks because I'm going to be holding the handle anyway, and it's just a light to like hold up and do pictures with. We can take the top section here as well and make like a little line around here so we can encapsulate all that in with our handle together and all that stuff. Right, we have a nice LED light bar. Kind of matches the one over here. And you can take these light bars, and I'm powering this one by a battery pack. So you can make it nice and mobile for like photo shoots. So you can like hold it off to the side of somebody's face and it will act as like a little bit of a blue light. Help you get those really nice cinematic photos. And there you go. And you have a 24-ish inch, a little bit more light bar.